Hello everybody, this is Miss Perrin, and I want to talk to you about your binder, your 3-ring binder. I call it a notebook. Inside that notebook, you should have, the first thing you should have is your table of contents. I'm sorry, your title sheet. You see, this is the title sheet. So your very first page in your notebook, on the very first page, you put your period dash number. Always put this in pencil in the upper right hand corner. Then you put your last name. Down in the center, right in the center, you put Algebra 1 notebook by, and you can put your name any way you want. Print it, write it, make it pretty. You can also decorate this sheet any way you want. Down at the very bottom, whoever your teacher is, put that person here. This is semester 2. And it goes from January all the way to May 2016. So this right here is the very first sheet in your notebook. Okay? Second sheet would be your table of contents. So if you take a look here, right here is your table of contents. You do not put this up like this, but I wrote it like this because I was writing this in my bullet journal, and I'm showing you what it should look like. So at the very top of the page, you put table of contents. Of course, in the upper right hand corner, again, you put your period dash your number. And I didn't put it, but I think I need your last name right here also. This won't be here. This will be written right here. In this little section, like you know how your notebook, you got the holes over here, and right beside the holes is right here, date. So this is where you're going to put your date. All the way across here, you're going to put your description. At the very end of your notebook, the very last part is like, you know how your heading goes up here? So this is over here in that part where the line goes. So you're going to put grade and then NB page. In the bottom of your notebook, you're going to number it for all of them. Not the title sheet, but on here. So see your title, this would be your table of contents, T1. As you keep going, the more table of contents you get, you number them, T1, T2, etc., etc. So the first page, title sheet. Second page, table of contents. Okay, now, here would be some information that you need to know. You would have 5 sections in your notebook. You see? 5 sections. So you see opening act. You number them at the bottom. 01. Notes. You number at the bottom. N1. Classwork / homework. C1. Graded assignment, when I return test quizzes. I also need you to get a document protector so that when you have small items, you can put those in there. And it would be nice if you had a folder in your notebook. And the last little section is your math journal. So this can be a composition book, it can be spiral, or if you don't want to do that, it can just be a set of papers in the back that have you write all of your math journal. So these are your 5 sections in your notebook. You have the opening act, notes, classwork, graded assignments, and math journal. And you number the pages just like here in the bottom right hand corner of all your pages.